Hi, I'm Shayla and I studied Digital Media and Design in 2022. I heard about digital media design just from my own Googling. I was going through a lot of the WINS programs looking for a lot of different jobs, and I found out we had a lot of game studios here in Dunedin. And I had Googled it and I was like, can you learn anything about games? And that's when digital media and design came up. My experience in the certificate was nerve-wracking, to be honest. I wasn't sure how I was going to be in study, and I knew I was much older than people who had just come out of high school. So I didn't know if I was going to be able to make friends or relate to anyone. But it was really good, and everyone was so nice, and the teachers were great to get along with. So now I am in the Bachelor of Design honours degree. I moved straight from the certificate into communication design, and I ended up loving that so much. I've stayed an extra year to carry on with honours. I'd absolutely recommend the certificate to anyone looking into the creative field. It is a great starting point to whether they want to go into design. A lot of us went into the rest of the design degree. Some of us didn't even stay in games. They just moved on to other parts of design, and yeah, it was a perfect gateway for it.